Morning, everybody. This is Hard Target, David Morrow, with another video. This is a little bit more educational video, I guess you could say. This goes out to everybody that's experiencing V2K torture, neuromonitoring torture, microwaves. I went to school for metallurgy back in the early 2000s, and welding technology, technical communications, and data. And I learned a few things. And this material right here is the Titan RF military EMF shielding fabric, also known as Faraday material. It's composed of nickel and copper, and we all know that nickel and copper are highly conductive alloys, and you can use them in many different ways. I've used them in a lot of different ways as well. Anyway, if you happen to get a hold of this material, it's really cheap. You can buy it on eBay. You can buy it pretty much anywhere. Here's a Faraday bed cover covering your bed. I'm sure you can get one to cover your house inside your living room. I could really go to town with this stuff. I got a creative mind, and I could really come up with some stuff with this. I know for a fact, I've seen on shows a long time ago, experiment wise, you can take a trash can and hook it up to a car battery, some jumper cables and whatnot, and put a cell phone in there, and it'll block a EMP or anything like that. It'll keep everything intact, so when the lights go out, you'll be the only one with a phone that probably won't get no signal or a battery that's you ain't gonna find nothing that works in. But anyway, yeah, this stuff is what they use in the military. There's the Faraday. Goes into a little bit description what it's for. Comes in rolls. Let's see. But yeah, it's used by the military, police departments, and it blocks out microwaves. It blocks out Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything, any kind of signals, wireless signals. It does. So all these rays and everything that they're using on everybody, and they are all wireless signals, and they operate at megahertz, and this fabric will block out all megahertz, and it'll go up to 40 gigahertz, which is higher than megahertz, and all them burns and everything will slowly start to decrease once you're shielded after a while. I'm sure a lot of you've tried tinfoil, and that's not the material that you really want to use. You want to enclose yourself with, like I said, the copper and nickel alloys. There's other alloys out there, but copper and nickel are the best ones, especially when they're put together in this style of protection. And I know I'm going to get a lot of heckling and everything for this video. I'm trying to help people. I'm not false spreading disinformation or anything like that. I've researched this stuff. Hell, I'm into the part right now where like tearing apart a microwave oven and seeing if I could do something with that, because the screening in the microwave oven, I know, is made out of Faraday material, and it shields the microwaves from escaping the microwave oven. So there's got to be a way to generate more power to where you can like shield it in an area to shield you. So I'm gonna keep looking into this, because people are asking me if I know anything about it. Not per se. It's pretty basic technology, I guess you could say. I mean, it's used for evil purposes, like the Havana syndrome. I'm sure everybody's heard about that, when they use that on their embassies and everybody's getting sick, dizzy, and everything like that. But yeah, this is something I'm really going to check into. I've been told by a lot of people it works, so I'm going to dig in the depth a little bit better, help a lot of TIs out with this, because I've seen a lot of people being tortured online, and it's horrible. I definitely wouldn't want that done to me. They use other tactics for me. It's straightforward kill and all these stupid games. But anyway, I'm going to try to get some more videos out on this material, and this right here is military grade. I don't see why it would be wrong. The military uses it, and the police departments and everybody else uses it. Homeland Security uses it. And I know that if they're going to use it, why can't we use it? And I'm going to have to say this is the answer, people. And until next time, you can like, share, and subscribe to this video. Please leave your comments at the bottom of the screen, and I'll leave a link in the description to where you can order this. It's pretty basic. I mean, you can look it up on eBay, Amazon. There's other places that you can go to, Military Surplus. I'm sure Radio Shack probably would carry some of this if there's even any of those around anymore. But yeah, like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends about me. This is Hard Target. Until next time.